Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into what could be the most crucial videos that I've ever made about the crypto market. You see, there's a lot of noise out there, and there will be many channels talking to you about the crypto bull run, while others are predicting doom and gloom. But don't worry, I've got your back. I've spent countless hours digging through articles and podcasts and posts and whatnot to get you the lowdown. In this video, I boiled it down to 5 main reasons why I think we're headed for a bull run. Plus, we'll also chat about what might happen with the regulatory aspects as they do their thing. So reason number 1, the bear market bottom. So let's start with the first point. We're going to be looking at the bear market bottom. So as we look at some charts from Cointelegraph, we can see that we're in the states of one of the longest bear market cycles, spanning the widths of about 490 days. So the official date of the bear cycle started at around November of 2021. This was a few months after the all-time high, about 69,000, and ever since then we've been on a decline, and it's been the longest that the market has ever seen, with some analysts predicting that we could be at the end, and with a possible upward trend. There is a few other bits of information which is also rallying at the same time, which is not doing too well. And this is regarding the US Federal Reserve. At the same time, they're trying to tame the inflation rate during this period.
Inflation in the US is now at 6.5% higher in December compared to a year ago. So what does that mean?
And there was also some negative news in the crypto firm community regarding the collapse of FTX and BlockFi and Celsius and Voyager, just some of the few crypto firms which were facing some scrutiny due to some backlash of events.
Is the savior of the industry. SBF, as he's also known, and his companies poured billions of dollars of liquidity into the space, bailing out businesses like BlockFi and Voyager Digital. As recently as August, SBF told CNBC that FTX had $1 billion in cash to deploy at any given moment.
It's not going to be good for anyone long term.
So on to reason number 2 is the Bitcoin spot ETF. So major news was announced just recently that the SEC approved the grayscale for their spot ETF announcement. But coming forward a few days, they have pushed back with further reviews and scrutiny, with some clarification coming forward in a few months. Taking into mind another big player in the spot ETF is BlackRock. Their total asset portfolio is sitting at around $10 trillion, whereas the Bitcoin market cap is sitting at just $1 trillion, or around $1 trillion. So if BlackRock get approved, which is most likely looking like it will be, there's a potential of a 10x, with the potential of other players launching the spot ETFs at the same time, which will bring a lot of money into the liquidity pool for Bitcoin, as you need to have a crucial amount to launch a spot ETF. Moving on to our third reason, and this was one that was recently in the news. So this was regarding XRP, also known as the company Ripple Labs, winning their battle against the SEC regarding whether the coin was labeled as a security or not. So this court battle took around 2.5 years, and they came out successful, stating that their coin was not a security. This was huge positive market sentiment, as markets and their relative exchanges relisted XRP, as this was a positive sign from the SEC. This was major relief for other altcoins that the SEC was targeting as well, as XRP was sort of a broad umbrella that they were targeting. So some other coins that they were targeting, the SEC, was Solana, Cardano, and Matic. Further news also increased investor confidence and crypto companies in the space, as they had more legal clarity developing their Web3 and DeFi apps and whatnot. So moving on to our fourth reason, and that is the Bitcoin halving event, which is scheduled to come into play somewhere in the next financial quarter in 2024. So moving over to TradingView, So we can see that this is when it's scheduled to pop at around this date here. But I won't delve too much into this, as I've talked about this in another post. You guys can check that out if you want to get more detail on this. But so the Bitcoin halving event is pretty much when they cut the supply in half, and this is targeted for somewhere between the mid-range of 2024. So there will be a price spike there, which is another point to add to the bull run. Moving on to the next point, and that is Ethereum to become a deflationary asset. So what that means is currently, or before Ethereum was a proof of stake mechanism, Ethereum had a limitless amount of supply pool, whereas Bitcoin had a fixed amount at 21 million. After the proof of stake network, they had a fixed amount now, which is great to see, as this also follows the supply and demand principle. Limiting the amount of supply will increase the demand in the supply pool. Well folks, we've reached the end of our crypto journey today, and what a ride it's been. We've dissected the crypto market, explored reasons for optimism, and even touched on potential challenges. Now here's where you come in. If you found this video informative, enjoyed our deep dive into the world of crypto, don't be shy. Hit that thumbs up. Show some appreciation. It helps our channel greatly. And hey, if you have any questions or thoughts about anything I've discussed or any feedback, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Lastly, if you're as passionate as me about crypto and you want to stay on the loop about all latest insights and updates, make sure you smash that subscribe again and ring that notification bell. That way you won't miss any future crypto updates, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss those. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's ride this crypto wave out together. See you in the next video.